Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to either enable or disable Google Chats from your Gmail account. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up the Gmail account, and then click mo lang tong Gmail, and then dito lang sa top right corner, and then click mo lang tong settings, and then dito sa settings, ay makikita mo dito yung apps in Gmail, chat and meet, and then tong customize. So ang next step ay click mo lang tong customize and then mag-pop up ito. So choose which apps to use in Gmail. So may dalawang options dito na Google Chat and then tong Google Meet. Ang next step ay uncheck mo lang tong Google Meet and then i-check mo lang tong Google Chat and then next ay click mo lang tong done and then mag-pop up ito to change which apps are visible. Gmail needs to reload. So click mo lang tong reload. And then after tayo mag-reload, dito lang sa left side ay makikita mo dito yung chat button. So i-click mo lang dito. And then ito na siya. Ready na at pwede na tayong mag-start. May tatlong options dito na start a chat, browse spaces, and explore apps. And then next, click mo lang tong start a chat. And then ito na siya. So write space, browse spaces, find apps, and then message request. Kung gusto mo naman itong i-disable, same procedure. Click mo lang tong settings dito sa top right corner. And then click mo lang tong customize. And then uncheck mo lang tong Google Chat. And then check mo lang tong Google Meet. Alright. So ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano tayo mag-enable or disable ng Google Chats from Gmail account. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.